Today, I'll show you how to create a PayPal account. First, open the PayPal app on your phone or go to PayPal in your browser. Make sure you are using the official PayPal app or website before entering any personal information. On the PayPal home screen, tap Sign Up or Create Account. Now choose the type of account you want to create. For most people, a personal account is the right choice. This lets you send money, receive money, shop online, and manage payments. If you are creating an account for a company, online store, freelance business, or organization, choose a business account instead. After choosing the account type, tap Continue. Now enter your mobile number. PayPal may send you a verification code by text message. Enter the code exactly as shown to confirm your number. Next, enter your email address. Use an email address you can access, because PayPal may send important account messages there. Now create a strong password. Use a password that is hard to guess, and do not use the same password you use on other websites. After that, enter your personal details. This may include your legal name, date of birth, address, and other required information. Make sure your details match your official documents because PayPal may ask you to verify your identity later. Next, review PayPal's terms and conditions. If you agree, continue with the sign-up process. Once your account is created, go to your email inbox and look for PayPal's confirmation email. Open the email and click the confirmation link if PayPal asks you to verify your email address. After that, you can add a payment method. Go to Wallet. Choose Link a Bank, Link a Card, or Add Payment Method. Enter the required details and follow the verification steps. Adding a bank or card helps you send payments, receive withdrawals, and use PayPal more easily. You should also turn on extra security, open your account settings, and enable two-step verification if it is available. This helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Never share your PayPal password, one-time code, or security details with anyone. So, to keep it simple, open PayPal, tap Sign Up, choose Personal or Business, verify your phone number, enter your email and details, confirm your email, add a bank or card, and secure your account. And that's how you create a PayPal account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.